Let's look at the SIP settings, which you can find under Settings, then Technology Settings, and finally SIP Settings. As has been mentioned, the older SIP protocol is no longer officially supported and has been officially deprecated by Asterisk. These legacy settings exist here solely to facilitate migrations from HaPBX3 to HaPBX4. This is essential if you had old SIP extensions or trunks created with your HaPBX3 backup and restored them onto a fresh HaPBX4 installation. Step 1. Migrating to PJSIP. While this ensures your backup can be restored, we strongly recommend that you migrate your extensions and trunks to PJSIP as quickly as possible. Our extensions import or export feature can assist with moving extensions to PJSIP. However, all trunks must be reconfigured manually from scratch using the new PJSIP technology. Step 2. The future of legacy SIP configuration. This SIP module is usually ignored by new installations that start directly with HaPBX4. This entire module will be removed in future versions of HaPBX as this legacy technology becomes unavailable. No new SIP devices and trunks can be created using this interface. You can adopt PJSIP with confidence, as it is completely backward compatible with all older SIP devices and SIP trunks.